Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the basics ready: a 5G-capable handset and the new Airtel 5G SIM. Start by confirming your phone model supports 5G and install any pending system updates. This prevents band mismatches. Next, check your Airtel account to ensure your unlimited 5G plan or add-on is active. If not, buy or upgrade now. Once done, power cycle the phone after SIM swap so the network registers your plan and SIM profile correctly. Open mobile network settings and set preferred network to 5G or NR. This tells the radio to prioritize 5G cells. Make sure the APN matches Airtel's profile. Incorrect APNs block data even with 5G signal, so edit to Airtel's default if needed. Once adjusted, toggle airplane mode or restart to prompt a fresh registration with the 5G core. You may also disable HD calls briefly. Some devices prefer switching voice to VoIP LTE before climbing to 5G data. Now verify you're on 5G by checking the status icon and running a speed test. You should see higher throughput and lower latency. If speeds are poor, move outdoors or near windows. Coverage varies. This isolates device vs network problems. If the phone won't register on 5G, reinsert the SIM, try a SIM from a known working 5G phone, and finally request a SIM reissue from Airtel. If all fails, contact support with your MA and test logs for escalation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.